Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact the support team on Autotrader. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in autotrader.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Autotrader website. Now, you may log into your account by clicking on the login button at the top right corner and proceeding forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken back to the homepage, scroll all the way down. And underneath About Us, you will see the Contact Us button. Go ahead and click on it and you will now see the various different options to get in touch with the support team. Now underneath the various different categories, choose the option that represents your issue the best, and then you can either choose the phone number or the Email Us button. If you choose the phone number option, then you can directly place a phone call to get in touch with the support team and explain your issue. If you choose the email option, just choose your help category and then enter your first and your last name followed by your email address. Then enter your case in detail and explain your issue why you are seeking the support within the comment section. Then click on the send email option, and now this will send your email to the support team for Autotrader. And once your email has been reviewed, you will get a response within your email address letting you know the steps that you can take in order to resolve your issue. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to contact the support team on Autotrader. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.